Hello, my name is Artez and welcome to Ensure Your Success. Today we're going to break down two key income types that are crucial for insurance agents looking to build wealth: passive income and residual income. These are two terms that we hear a lot, but do we really understand what they mean? This could really impact your financial future as an insurance agent. So let's dive in. When I was first approached about joining the business, the individual that recruited me told me that I could earn residual and passive income. At that time, I really didn't understand what that meant, but it sounded like I could make a whole bunch of money. After a few years of being in the business, I realized that the company that I was with didn't have the right product or the systems in place that I would need to earn residual and passive income. Two things that you need in place if you want to build residual and passive income. Number one, you need a product that pays a decent renewal income. And number two, a system that you could recruit, train, and develop agents into leaders. So now let's take a look at residual income. Residual income means that you're getting paid over and over and over again from a single action, like selling an insurance policy. This is where all agents start at accumulating their wealth when you first get your license and you get contracted with a carrier to sell their product. Every year that your client renews their policy, you receive a residual commission, even if you only made the sale once. It's the power of recurring revenue that can really build up over time. Make sure that you review your commission schedule so you will know what each policy that you sell pays when it renews. The more clients that you help and policies you renew, the more residual income you build year after year. It's the results of having good client relationships and being consistent. Now let's talk about passive income. This is what excites me the most about this business. When I became an insurance agent, the individual that recruited me told me that I could build a business, and that if I build a business, I could pass on that business to my family. I also could help other individuals to build their business too as well. So what is passive income? Passive income is income that you earn without actively working for it. Now let me stop right there. You may be asking yourself, what? I don't have to work and I can add income? Absolutely not. Passive income starts once you lay the groundwork. Let me give you an example. Say if you introduce somebody to the business and you recruited them. Now keep in mind, the insurance company doesn't pay us just for recruiting agents. This is not multi-level marketing, so you don't get paid any money for recruiting agents. Before you can start receiving passive income from that agent, you're going to have to put in some work with that individual. If they are a non-licensed agent, the first step is they have to enroll in a pre-licensing course. I have a link in the description of this video to help you with that. Once they enroll in the pre-licensing course, then they have to sign up to take their state exam. You should be encouraging them to get through this process as quickly as possible so they could get on with the next step, which is training. Once they pass their exam, you must have some type of training system that you immediately plug them into. You should have a goal to assist them with making their first few sales within the first week. This will help them with their belief and also put some money in their pocket real quick. Now, during this first week, you should also be role playing with them, going over their presentation and scripts, going with them on appointments, and listening in on their phone calls if you're doing telesales. This is crucial for their success. One of the top complaints that I hear from agents is that they do not get enough training and support. As their upline manager, it is your responsibility to make sure that they get the training and support that they need. It is their responsibility to take the training and the support that you give them and apply it to make sales. Now, every time that agent goes out and make a sale completely independent of you, that means that you are nowhere around, you receive a commission from that sale, which is passive income. Let's say that you're in Atlanta, Georgia, where I reside, but say you had an agent in New Orleans, Louisiana, my hometown, and that agent goes out and write a policy, and even though you are in Atlanta, Georgia, you still receive a percentage of that sale. Just imagine if you had agents in all 50 states, and every day those agents wrote a sale, how much passive income that you could receive. It could be in the hundreds of thousands, even millions. So, as an insurance agent, here's the magic: combining residual and passive income. And how do you do that? By building a strong client base and a team. By doing this, you are stacking up an income stream that keeps paying you long after the initial work is done. Remember, success in this industry is not about working hard, but it's about working smarter. Also, leveraging the tools and the opportunities that we have. By building residual and passive income streams, you're setting yourself up for long-term financial freedom. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and hit the notification bell. I'm here to help you succeed as an agent, so let's grow together. Also, drop a comment below with any questions or share income building tips. Until next time, I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.